Hey everybody, I'm sorry for the background noise. Somebody's watching TV, but I am so excited because I just took out my squishy clay from the microwave. Yeah, I put it in on this big plank. I put it in for 35 seconds, and it's a little hot, but it is actually squishy. Like if you're not seeing that, I'm like, ow, it's so hot. I'm like so surprised. Like, do you see that? Like, that just like, look at that. Hold on. Are you watching this? And I'm like so excited. And if you want me to make a tutorial on this, like, just ask, and yeah, I'll do it. So, bye. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.